Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share week 37 for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. She is hosting a open collaboration, and I'm taking part in it, and it's to alter a playing card every week. So you should have 52 cards at the end of the year. I didn't think, to be honest, I didn't think I'd last this long because I have started things and then I never complete them. But these altar playing cards are small enough where they're very easy to alter and cover with beautiful paper and embellish it with all our embellishments that we've collected, right? So we are on week 37, and last week I used this paper and I'm still using it, got tons of it, and I made this kind of different card. I laid down in a different direction the book page. I ink the edges with vintage photo and walnut stain. I had this in my stash. I have a container and I'll show it to you. I have it right here. It's right next to me, right here. And look at all of these die cuts and ephemera pieces. And I just go through it. And there's some butterflies, a balloon, an Easter egg. Oh my God. And I just go through it and I just pick out things that I like. And then I added this glitter arrows, and I thought it just added kind of a contemporary look. And then I went in and I added some gray lace, cotton lace from my stash. And then I inked the edges to this. I don't know if this is a stamped image. It might be a stamped image. And I don't think hold on a sec. See if it will focus. There it is. I don't know if it's a stamped or ephemera piece, but anyway, I like it nonetheless. I just like the glitter arrows. So it's really different, I thought. And this is for week 37, September 12th. So I want to thank Penny for this great collaboration. And I want to thank everybody for stopping by today. I'll see you in my next video, everyone. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.